When engineers begin working with large language models in a serious technical context, they often discover that the model behaves less like a traditional program and more like a probabilistic collaborator. Instead of executing rigid instructions exactly as written, the model generates outputs by predicting sequences of tokens that statistically follow from the prompt. This predictive process introduces variability, flexibility, and sometimes surprising interpretations. As a result, prompt design becomes a central mechanism for shaping the behavior of the system. Two of the most important design decisions involve determining whether a prompt should encourage deterministic behavior or creative exploration, and deciding when to guide the model with explicit step-by-step instructions. Both decisions are closely tied to the deeper principles of instruction clarity and structured output. Before discussing deterministic and creative prompts, it is essential to revisit a foundational concept. A language model does not truly understand instructions in the human sense. It processes the prompt as text and calculates probability distributions over possible next tokens. The prompt acts as a contextual field that influences those probabilities. The clearer and more structured that field is, the more constrained the model's generation process becomes. When the prompt is ambiguous or loosely defined, the probability distribution widens, allowing more diverse outputs. Deterministic prompts aim to narrow that distribution as much as possible. The goal is to reduce variability and guide the model toward a predictable and repeatable output. In deterministic prompting, clarity is paramount. Instructions must be precise, unambiguous, and explicitly constrained. The model should have little room to interpret the task in multiple ways. This style of prompting is particularly important in professional and technical workflows. When AI is used to generate structured data, summarize reports, extract information from documents, or support decision-making processes, consistency is far more valuable than creativity. The same input should ideally produce the same output every time. To achieve this level of consistency, the prompt must function almost like a formal specification. It should clearly define the task, the expected reasoning process, the output structure, and any constraints that apply. Vague language such as analyze this or improve this text introduces too much interpretive freedom. Instead, deterministic prompts describe exactly what type of analysis should occur and how the results should be presented. Another characteristic of deterministic prompts is the explicit definition of output formatting. Because the model naturally generates free-form language, prompts must often impose structure on the response. Structured output is especially important when the generated text will be processed by other systems, integrated into databases, or used as input for additional automated workflows. Output formatting instructions transform a probabilistic text generator into a component capable of producing predictable data structures. The prompt might require the model to produce a numbered list, a table with defined columns, or a structured object with specific fields. When the format is clearly specified, the model can align its generation process with those constraints. The reliability of structured outputs depends heavily on instruction clarity. The format must be described precisely enough that the model can reproduce it consistently. For example, if the output is expected to contain several fields, the prompt should define each field explicitly. The model should know not only the names of the fields but also the type of information that belongs in each one. Deterministic prompting also benefits from limiting stylistic variation. When tone, vocabulary, or narrative style are left unspecified, the model may vary them across responses. By specifying a consistent tone or writing style, the prompt reduces another dimension of variability. In contrast to deterministic prompts, creative prompts intentionally allow a wider range of possible outputs. Creativity in language models emerges when the probability distribution over tokens is allowed to explore multiple plausible continuations. This does not mean that the model invents ideas in a human sense, but rather that it combines patterns from the training data in novel ways. Creative prompts are valuable when the goal is exploration rather than strict reproducibility. Tasks such as brainstorming ideas, generating narratives, proposing alternative solutions, or drafting creative content benefit from a broader search space. If the prompt overly constrains the model, the output may become predictable and unimaginative. The distinction between deterministic and creative prompting therefore depends on the objective of the task. When precision and consistency are critical, prompts should narrow the solution space. When originality and diversity are desired, prompts should allow more flexibility. However, even creative prompts benefit from a degree of clarity. Without a clear objective, the model may generate outputs that are imaginative but irrelevant. Effective creative prompting establishes a conceptual boundary within which the model can explore. The prompt might define a theme, a context, or a perspective while leaving the specific content open-ended. One way to think about this balance is to imagine the prompt as defining a landscape. Deterministic prompts create narrow pathways through that landscape, guiding the model along a specific route. Creative prompts define a larger territory but still establish boundaries so that exploration remains relevant to the task. Regardless of whether a prompt is deterministic or creative, another powerful technique for guiding the model is the use of step-by-step instructions. Step-by-step prompting leverages a fundamental property of language models: they generate text sequentially, building each token on top of the context created by previous tokens. When the prompt encourages the model to reason through intermediate steps, it effectively shapes the path of that generation process. In many complex tasks, jumping directly from the problem statement to the final answer can produce unreliable
many
results.
other problems,
The model may overlook important aspects of the problem or make incorrect assumptions. Step-by-step instructions encourage the model to articulate intermediate reasoning stages before arriving at a conclusion. For example, when analyzing a problem, the prompt might instruct the model to first identify the relevant information, then evaluate possible interpretations, and finally produce the conclusion. Each step becomes part of the generated context, influencing the tokens that follow. This technique works because language models have been trained on large amounts of text that include explanations, tutorials, and logical arguments. When prompted to reason step by step, the model activates patterns associated with structured problem solving. Step-by-step instructions also improve transparency. When the reasoning process appears in the output, users can examine how the model arrived at its conclusion. This makes it easier to detect errors, misunderstandings, or flawed assumptions. Another advantage of step-by-step prompting is that it reduces cognitive compression. When a task requires multiple reasoning steps, forcing the model to produce them explicitly distributes the reasoning across several stages of token generation. This can lead to more accurate and coherent results. Step-by-step prompts are particularly valuable in analytical tasks such as mathematical reasoning, data interpretation, and multi-stage decision analysis. In these contexts, the reasoning process itself is often as important as the final answer. However, step-by-step prompting must still adhere to the principles of instruction clarity. If the steps are vague or poorly defined, the model may interpret them in unexpected ways. Each step should describe a specific action or reasoning stage. The connection between step-by-step instructions and structured output is also important. When the prompt defines both the reasoning steps and the format of the final answer, the model can produce responses that are not only logically organized but also easy to parse and evaluate. For instance, the prompt might instruct the model to produce a reasoning section followed by a structured summary. The reasoning section allows the model to explore the problem in detail, while the structured summary presents the conclusions in a standardized format. This separation of reasoning and output structure is particularly useful in technical systems where human readability and machine readability must coexist. Engineers reviewing the output can examine the reasoning, while automated systems can extract the structured data. Instruction clarity remains the foundation that supports all of these techniques. Whether the prompt aims to produce deterministic results, creative exploration, or step-by-step reasoning, the model can only respond to the signals embedded in the text. Ambiguous instructions lead to ambiguous outputs. Clarity requires anticipating how the model might interpret the prompt. Because the model relies on statistical patterns rather than human intention, prompt designers must consider the range of possible interpretations that the text might trigger. One effective strategy is to imagine the prompt being read by someone who has no prior knowledge of the task. If the instructions would confuse such a reader, they may also confuse the model. Clear prompts remove implicit assumptions and state the requirements explicitly. Another strategy involves testing prompts iteratively. Observing how the model responds to different prompt formulations can reveal hidden ambiguities. By refining the wording and structure of the prompt, designers gradually converge on a formulation that reliably produces the desired behavior. Structured output instructions play an important role in this refinement process. When the model's output format is predictable, it becomes easier to evaluate whether the content meets the requirements. If the format itself varies, distinguishing formatting issues from reasoning issues becomes more difficult. In many real-world applications, prompt engineering evolves into a form of interface design. The prompt defines how humans communicate their intentions to the model and how the model communicates results back to humans or other systems. Instruction clarity ensures that this interface is unambiguous. Structured output ensures that the interface is usable. Deterministic prompts, creative prompts, and step-by-step reasoning techniques all operate within this broader framework. They are not isolated tricks but strategies for shaping the probabilistic generation process of language models. As practitioners gain experience, they begin to recognize patterns in how prompts influence outputs. They learn which tasks require strict constraints and which benefit from open-ended exploration. They learn when to guide the model through explicit reasoning steps and when to allow it to produce concise answers. Ultimately, effective prompt engineering is not about manipulating the model but about communicating with it in a way that aligns with its statistical nature. Clear instructions define the task environment. Structured output defines the form of the results. Deterministic constraints and creative freedom define the breadth of the solution space. Step-by-step instructions guide the reasoning path through that space. When these elements are combined thoughtfully, language models become powerful tools capable of supporting complex analytical and creative tasks. Their probabilistic nature remains, but the prompt acts as a framework that channels that probability toward useful and predictable outcomes.
If you find this video exciting, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next AI for Beginners educational video.